Let us explore powers with negative rational exponents. Determine each value. We have 4 questions here. We'll do them one by one. Part A is minus 32 to the power of minus 1 over 5. Part B is minus 27 to the power of minus 2 over 3. C is 8 over 27, whole thing to the power of minus 2 over 3. And D is minus of minus 64 to the power of minus 1 over 3. So as you can see here, we have negative exponents. Now, what are negative exponents and what is their result? If I have a over b to the power of, let us say, minus 1, it is basically equals to b over a to the power of 1. So this negative basically makes it reciprocal. It's kind of a reciprocal function, right? You have to just flip numerator and denominator, and that is the effect of negative, right? So if you have 2, then 2 to the power of minus 1 is 1 over 2. That's what I'm trying to say. If you have 2 over 3 to the power of minus 1, then what you expect is 3 over 2, right? So that is the effect of negative exponent, right? So we'll use this property and solve these questions, right? So in general, we can say if we have x to the power of minus 1, it is equals to 1 over x, correct? So that is the property of negative exponent, which we are going to explore. First one is minus 32 to the power of minus 1 over 5. So we could write this as, this negative is independent of the exponents. We'll write negative as such. This minus makes 32 as 1 over 32. So we get 1 over 32 to the power of 1 over 5. That is what it results into, correct? Now fifth root of 32 and fifth root of 1, what is that? As you know, fifth root of 1 or any root of 1 is just the number 1. And fifth root of 32 is 2, right? 2 to the power of 5 is 32, so fifth root is 2. So we get minus half as our answer. Okay. Now here, we'll apply the same technique. So the first step is reciprocal of inside function. Here, minus 27 is the inside number, right? So it becomes 1 over minus 27. Do you see that? To the power of 2 over 3. Now, we should do cube root first and then the square. So if you do cube root of minus 27, what do you get? Cube root of minus 27 is 3, correct? So we get here minus 3, since it is minus 27 whole square, correct? What we did was cube root of minus 27, which is minus 3. So we are left with square of this rational number, right? So square of this rational number, 1 over minus 3 is 1 over 9. So that is our answer for minus 27 to the power of minus 2 over 3. Now let's do this question C. 8 over 27 to the power of minus 2 over 3. First step is effect of minus exponent. So it will flip this, right? Denominator becomes a numerator, numerator becomes denominator. That is the reciprocal of 8 over 27. And exponent is 2 over 3. So what we will do? First we will do the cube root. This time I'll show you the steps. Cube root means we'll do cube root of 27. We'll do cube root of 8. And then we are going to square everything. That is what we mean. Now cube root of 27 is 3 and cube root of 8 is 2. So we get 3 over 2 square, which is 3 square is 9 and 2 square is 4. So that is the answer, correct? Now let's do the last one. It's kind of tricky. Minus of minus 64 to the power of minus 1 over 3. This minus is outside. I'm keeping it away. Now this minus will flip minus 64, right? So it'd be like 1 over minus 64, right? To the power of 1 over 3. Now, what is the cube root of minus 64? It is 4. So we get 1 over minus 64 cube root will be minus 4, correct? So that's what we get. And that could be written as, let me write it in brackets, minus minus becomes plus, so we get 1 over 4 as our answer. So that is how we can actually solve powers with negative rational exponents. Go through it once again, try to understand the steps, and then take the quiz. Thank you.